Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo. Here Hacoo app, as you see Hacoo like this. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again